Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new on my channel, then please subscribe to my channel first. So in today's video, I'll tell a new feature of TikTok. It's that you can add now stories on TikTok also, just like Instagram, Snapchat. So you are also now able to add stories on TikTok. So first of all, we'll just go to Play Store and search here TikTok. If you have already installed, then you don't need to install it again. And if you haven't updated it, then there will come an option of update. I've already updated, so here comes an option of open. So I'm just tapping on open. Now TikTok is open. Now this thing will appear on your screen just like this, and what you have to do is you have to just tap on plus icon. Now here option of camera, story and templates. You have to tap on story obviously, and if you want to just add a photo on your story, then what you have to do is you have to just tap on photo. Now take a picture. Now if you want to add filters, you can. So guys, you can also change sounds on it just like this. Here comes all the trending songs. So from here just you have to just add filters on it. If you want to add stickers, you can. So you have to tap on post a story, just simple. So I'm going back. Now I'll show you that if you want to upload a video on story, then what you have to do. So you have to tap on video. Just make a random video. I can't make because I've already turned on my mic for making this video, so I can't. So guys, if you want to just upload any old picture of yours or any old video of yours, then what you have to do is you have to just tap on upload. Now you have to select. I'm just selecting this one just to show you guys. Now what you have to do is you have to post a story. You have to tap on post a story, and if you want to change sound of it, you can tap on this. And now from here you can select any song randomly of your choice. I'm just going back and I'm not adding any sound. Now I have to tap on post a story. So after some time you will get a notification that your story is uploaded or posted. So guys, just wait for it, and now you can see that your story was uploaded. It has come to my screen. So guys, these are very easy steps that you have to follow if you want to add stories on TikTok also, just like Snapchat and Instagram. So it's a new feature on TikTok. If I'll find any other feature, or if I'll find that how you can just make your story aesthetic or anything else, or editing your stories, then I'll just make a video for you guys. I hope that you have subscribed to my channel. If you haven't, then go and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.